What could cause an entire city to be reduced to rubble in seconds? The Halifax explosion of 1917 stands as one of the most devastating events in history, yet many know little about it. Imagine a blast so powerful it shattered windows 50 miles away. Let's explore the events that led to this catastrophe and its aftermath. The calm before the storm. Imagine waking up on a crisp December morning in 1917 in the bustling port city of Halifax, Nova Scotia. The city is alive with the sounds of people going about their daily routines, children playing, and ships coming and going in the harbor. Little did the residents know their lives were about to change forever in a matter of minutes. The collision. At approximately 8:45 a.m. on December 6, 1917, two ships were navigating the narrow waters of the Halifax harbor. The SS Montblanc, a French cargo ship loaded with highly explosive materials, was inbound. Meanwhile, the SS IMO, a Norwegian vessel chartered by the Belgian Relief Commission, was outbound. Due to a series of miscommunications and navigational errors, the two ships collided. The impact caused a fire on the Mont Blanc, which quickly spread to the cargo hold. The explosion. At 9:04 a.m., just 19 minutes after the collision, the SS Mont Blanc erupted in a cataclysmic explosion. The force was so immense, it obliterated the ship and generated a shockwave that flattened buildings, overturned trains, and triggered a massive tsunami in the harbor. The blast, equivalent to 2.9 kilotons of TNT, is considered one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history. Windows shattered 50 miles away, and the explosion's roar was heard over 200 miles away. The devastation was instantaneous, leaving a scene of utter chaos and destruction in its wake. The immediate aftermath. The devastation was unimaginable. Nearly 2,000 people were killed instantly, and thousands more were injured. The explosion destroyed everything within a 1.2-mile radius, leaving a wasteland of rubble and fires that raged throughout the city. The north end of Halifax was hit the hardest, with entire neighborhoods wiped out in an instant. The response and rescue efforts. In the immediate aftermath, the people of Halifax displayed remarkable courage and resilience. Rescue efforts began almost instantly, with survivors, firefighters, and soldiers working tirelessly to pull people from the wreckage and treat the injured. Makeshift hospitals were set up to handle the overwhelming number of casualties. Aid and medical supplies poured in from across Canada and the United States, with Boston notably sending a train loaded with doctors, nurses, and essential supplies. The community's quick response and the outpouring of support from neighboring regions were crucial in managing the crisis and saving countless lives. The cause and the inquiry. In the wake of the explosion, a thorough investigation was launched to uncover the cause of the disaster. It was determined that a series of miscommunications, navigational errors, and human mistakes led to the collision between the SS Montblanc and the SS IMO. The inquiry placed significant blame on the captains of both ships, the harbor pilots, and port authorities for their roles in the tragedy. The findings highlighted the need for better safety protocols and communication systems to prevent such a catastrophic event from happening again, prompting changes in maritime regulations and emergency response procedures. The long-term impact. The Halifax explosion had a profound and lasting impact on the city and its people. In addition to the immediate loss of life and property, the explosion left thousands of people homeless and traumatized. The city underwent a massive rebuilding effort, and out of the tragedy came significant advancements in emergency response and disaster planning. The event also forged a lasting bond between Halifax and Boston, which continues to this day with the annual Christmas tree sent from Nova Scotia to Boston as a gesture of gratitude. Today, the Halifax explosion is remembered as a pivotal moment in Canadian history. Memorials and museums commemorate the event and honor the victims and heroes who emerged from the tragedy. The story of the Halifax explosion serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of life and the strength of the human spirit in the face of disaster. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.